HiBREW G5A coffee grinder unboxing and first look. Available in multiple voltage options to suit your needs. User manual. Bean spray bottle. Dosing cup. Bellows. Toolkit. This grinder features an adjustable grinding angle. Adjust grind size. Short press for white light, fast grinding. Long press for blue light, slow grinding. Must be plugged into a properly grounded outlet. Enjoy freshly ground coffee. Experience fresh coffee grounds.